Self-improvement is supposed to help you grow. So why does it sometimes feel impossible to stop fixing yourself? What if working on yourself has quietly become another addiction? And I've watched how people replace one addiction to another without realizing it. This one just looks productive. Self-improvement becomes addictive when it's no longer about growth, but about escaping discomfort. When improvement replaces acceptance, the mind never rests. Here are 4 signs that self-improvement becomes your new addiction. If every quiet moment triggers the urge to optimize, learn more, or fix something, that's not discipline, that's avoidance. Psychologically, constant improvement can become a way to avoid stillness. And stillness brings feelings like doubt, emptiness, or fear. So the mind stays busy. Growth becomes the movement without presence. Ask yourself honestly, do you feel valuable only when you are improving? If rest creates guilt, if slowing down feels like a failure, then improvement has replaced self-worth. Psychology calls this conditional self-acceptance, and it guarantees exhaustion, because worth is never finished. There is always another habit, another routine, another mindset, but satisfaction never arrives. Why? Because the brain learned, I will feel enough later. This creates endless postponement of peace, and peace delayed long enough feels unfamiliar. At some point, life becomes preparation. Everything is for later, for the future version of you. But psychology is clear. A life lived only for improvement is a life never actually lived. Growth should enhance life, not replace it. Self-improvement isn't the problem. Running from yourself is. Growth works the best when it includes rest, acceptance, and presence. Otherwise, it's just another way to stay busy. So, stay with me. Subscribe, press like, and drop a comment with your favorite book. So let's grow together. Have a good flight, fam!